Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Firefox web browser onto your computer. So it should be a very quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one you choose to open. And you want to navigate over to google.com. Now into Google you want to type in Firefox and just hit enter. One of the best managers should hopefully say mozilla.org in the domain of the website, and it should say download Firefox or some iteration of that. You want to open that up. Once you're on a page that says mozilla.org up at the top, you want to find the download now button. When you guys are viewing the page, it might look a little bit different because web pages do change with time, but we're going to select the download now button, at least at the time of this recording. And then once the installer has finished downloading, we're going to open up the installer here. If you get a security notification for this file, just left click on run. And now in the user account control window, make sure it says a verified publisher, and it is the Mozilla Corporation. They are the makers of Firefox. You want to left click on yes to allow it to run. Now this process should be pretty quick at this point, so just let it run here, and it shouldn't take much more than a minute, to be honest, in most cases. Okay, so once it's done, if you want to set it as your default browser, you're more than welcome to. Otherwise, you can just uncheck the box and click Not Now. And that's pretty much it. At this point, you should be good to go. I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.